Hello friends, today we are going on the train from the main city of Podgorica to the coastal town of Bar in Montenegro. Before we show you what we get up to, remember to like, comment, subscribe and click on the bell button so that you can get notified when we post more videos like these. So 2 adults and 1 child. The other one is small. So 1 age 7 and 1 age 2. Last week we headed north into the mountains to the town of Kalashin, and I will leave the link to the video that we did about that in the description below. We had a lot of delays last week, including a 3+ hour delay to get home, and the train south to Bar is currently 20 minutes late. I see they've just been making some noise and everyone's gathering on the platform, so maybe not a 3-hour delay to get there, but yeah, the trains definitely do not run on time in these parts.
Oh! That made me jump.
So this is Montenegro train travel. Ellie's back there somewhere. I don't even think Ayla's got a seat, but someone did stand up and let Ellie sit down with the baby. So this is nearly 9 o'clock in the morning and it's 1 hour packed train travel.
We are on a very busy train today. Party train perhaps. No seats, Ayla? No, we managed to get 1 seat. It's very, very crowded. I think the lady sitting next to us got sick of us, and so she got up and went to the back of the carriage, and now we have her seat and all her stuff. So the train ride from Podgorica to Bar is about 1 hour, and it cost us €5.40 I think for 3 tickets, so Romy was free, and it is the same train line that we were on last week. So the first station is Bar, and it goes all the way to Belgrade in Serbia, so I believe that there's an overnight train that leaves every night. So yeah, you can go all the way from the coast in Montenegro up to Belgrade in Serbia on the train if you want to. Total party train this morning, 9 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning. Everyone's drinking beer. We're missing out. No, we're not. We're having our own fun.
Myself.
We're at Sutomor now. I didn't know that the train stopped here, but all the party people have just got off and now there's loads of seats. And yeah, I guess this is the first coastal stop. Like I said, I didn't know it was stopping here at all. I thought it just went straight to Bar, but we're going to continue on to Bar today. Maybe take a trip here another day. I think the beach might be a little bit nicer here. We just paid €1 to go to the toilet in this place. We should have gone on the train, I think. We've just reached the marina, or the port of Bar. A couple of cruise ships in. You can sort of see more of a town area in there, but we're heading towards the city beach. We don't have okay, we're heading into the pedestrian zone. We don't really plan to do much today, really, except for head to the beach, I think. So yeah, Colin's way up ahead, so let's catch up to him, eh? So I believe that you can catch the ferry from Bar to Bari in Italy, and it takes about 9 hours. Look, it's still spring in Bar. Mid-August spring. Just found a little indoor play area on the beach, so I guess we've reached City Beach. It's about 11:30 now though, so I think Colin's going to want coffee and brunch, so we're still catching up to him. Montenegro is full of stunning landscapes, from the sea, lakes, rivers, the hills and the mountains. It's really got it all. But this summer, you might notice it's got a wee bit of a hazy look to it, and I guess that's from all the wildfires that we've had over the past few weeks, which have been raging throughout the Balkans and in other neighbouring countries as well. So you can rent a sun lounger and some shade on the beach if you like, for something like 5 or 10 euros. Or you can be like us and get the cheap seats for free. Gotcha! Yeah. Nicola's Palace, just across the road from the beach. We saw a video before we came and I think you can go in for a couple of euros. Not sure if anyone's keen to do that or not, but here we are. They found somewhere else that they're more interested in. How's your coffee?
Not bad. Definitely prefer it in a paper cup.
You're a funny one.
Stays warmer longer.
This magnificent church is just in behind King Nicola's Palace. I'm sure Colin will pop the name of the church up there on the screen for you. Yeah, it's got a souvenir shop, of course, just over there. Those guys are going in to have a look. A big sports stadium just over here. Surrounding hills, and yeah, the beach is just back over behind us here.
fact that this is the end of the line. This train is here. Suggests it's our train taking us back to Podgorica. Just arrived a few minutes ago. All these people are waiting on the platform. It's not easy to get information out of any staff. So we're going to assume people are going to start getting on, and this is the train that we should get on.
They all go to Podgorica.
Wow, space.
So that was our day trip from Podgorica to Bar in Montenegro and back again. And from what I understand, Bar also has a really nice old town with some lovely ancient ruins. However, it is 10 minutes drive from the town, and for today we decided to stick to the beach and the restaurants around there. Plus, at our next destination there are tons of really spectacular ruins, so you're just going to have to stay tuned to see where we're going next. For now, remember to like, comment, subscribe and click on the bell button so that you get notified when we post more videos like these. We'll see you next time.
This could be our last family vlog of things to do in Montenegro. We're not quite sure. We've only got a few weeks left before we have to move on, or we've decided to move on. And as to where we go next, all will be revealed soon, because tonight we book our flights. So yes, stay tuned for the next video. Take care now. Bye bye.